Hey, welcome to another video. This is the Float Locker, and I teach you how not to invest like a degenerate. So today I'm going to talk about Google, the Google stock. So I'm thinking I have a thesis that I think is going to hit $2,000. I have a $2,000 price target on it, and I think it's going to hit by the end of the year. So here I'm going to bring up the chart here. So here's the chart of Google with the L. So I've been watching it. I've actually been trading it over the past couple of weeks. You know, I've sold some put spreads. I bought a debit spread, and I initially bought a debit spread. It was a 2,300 debit spread expiring in December, as you can see right here. But then I took off the short call end because I didn't want to limit the upside. I really think it's going to hit 2,000, right? Well, I was only able to hold from the 13th all the way up to today, so about a couple weeks. So I finally sold it today. My cost basis was about $3 on the long call, the 2,000 call. I sold it today for $20.20. So I made about $17 on the contract. So about $1,700 on that contract. I have also another trading account where I have a larger position in it. I bought the 2,100 calls expiring in December. So I bought those for about $2.65. As of today, they're worth over $10. So almost a 5x on those. But I'm still holding them. So I'm going to try to diamond hand my way through it and try to see if I can make it to 2,000. I tend to always take profit a little early, just because that's a huge move. I might end up shaving some off tomorrow, especially if we gap up and then look to buy in lower. But I'll definitely keep on at least a couple contracts just to ride the wave, because they do expire in December. So hopefully the time, the amount of time I have left on it will help me hold through it. Well, anyways, Google's has started its run. I started trading it around 14, when it was trading around 1480 a couple weeks ago. And as you can see now, it's already at 1640. I really think this is going to hit 2,000, but I wouldn't suggest buying up here. If you can get anywhere like in the low 1600s or even below 1600, that'd be great. And then you could base your risk off the $1,450 level. And then, just manage your risk that way. That's why you always got to keep risk management in check, because anything can change in this market. Especially now we've been straight up, so who knows, they might end up doing a rug pull. But for now, we just trade price. Market is saying we're going up, so we keep with the trend, right? No need to have an opinion on the market, because opinions never pay. So here are a couple things that I think about Google, that I think why it's going to hit $2,000. First off, it's set up technically great on the chart. Not only that, but it hasn't really participated in the recent run with the FANG names like Facebook, Apple, Amazon, right? Netflix. Like Netflix today hit, it went up about $57, right? You can see here. I'll show you right here. It hit $57 in one day, and that's with a $500 stock. You can see right here. That's crazy, right? So, and then you got like Facebook. Let's see here. I'll pull up Facebook real quick just to show you. So we got Facebook going up $23 in a day, and then you have Apple. Apple not really doing much today, but I mean, look at it. Pretty much from the March low, right? It's been straight up. I'd regret not getting into that. Well, anyways, so back to Google. So as you can see, Google hasn't really participated in this run, right? And I think it's due. And you can see people are starting to take notice to it. There's been a lot of buying. So we're hitting all-time highs. I think we're making a run at 2,000. Especially if they announce some news or some sort of catalyst. We need a catalyst. But here's what I think. Here's another piece of the puzzle that's making me think we're going to hit 2,000. So we have, here's another thesis I have. I think that Twitch, or I think that Google will be hitting 2,000 because there's a streamer, a huge streamer on Twitch that was recently banned, and he was banned from Twitch and he went to YouTube. Now he streams on YouTube. His name is Dr. Disrespect. I'm going to put his info in the description below. But what I think this is going to do, if Google sees this as an opportunity, it all depends on Google seeing it as an opportunity. But if they can cater or tailor their platform for gamers, I think this could bring in more gamers over from Twitch and just bring in more revenue, bring in more subscribers, bring in more activity, right, to the YouTube platform. I mean, I don't have anything else to expand on that, but that's kind of just like an idea I had in my head that, it's possible. So I mean, those are my that's my thesis on it. Technically set up, some possible opportunities for Google. Also hasn't participated in the recent run, right, with the other FANG names. I think it's due. I think money is looking for an area to park to make that alpha, right, to really get some gains. And Google's been quiet, so that's my thesis on it. If you're looking at Google as well, kind of just put in your comment. Let me know what you think about it. What you think about Google or some of the other stocks that you may be looking at. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.